Alright, ladies and gentlemen, coming up on the right hand side is going to be the most colorful area of our park. This park is called Cantopia. Cantopia is home to our Scorpion roller coaster, our Falcon Creek drop tower, and our Dragonfire Grill restaurant. Over to the right hand side, you will notice that blue and red roller coaster. That is Scorpion. Scorpion does feature a 360-degree loop and travels at speeds of 55 miles per hour. To the left hand side, the brown ride is called our Sandersville Fall Flume. Sandersville Fall Flume is one of the longest fall flume rides here in America. It reaches no heights of 43 feet in the air, travels at speeds of 25 miles per hour. To the left hand side, just behind these damn fences and trees, is home to our Jangala area of our park. Jangala is home to our Bengal Tigers, orangutans, and our very own Chick-fil-A. Coming up on the left hand side, that green and red roller coaster is called Kumba. Kumba in African dialect does mean roar, and roar it does. Kumba brings a height of 143 feet and travels at a speed of 65 miles per hour. This is one of Busch Gardens' loudest and shakiest rides, having 7 inversions and 7 flips. To the left hand side, you will notice some brownish reddish animals with long horns. That is going to be our Watusi cow, also known as the African longhorn. Cows' horns can reach anywhere from 4 to 5 feet long. Fun fact about these cows is that their horns are actually hollow. To the left hand side of them gondolas are part of our Sky Ride. The Sky Ride brings you 50 feet in the air with a bird's eye view of the Serengeti Belt. And over to the right hand side is coming soon to Busch Gardens. The baby blue ride is called Phoenix Rising. Phoenix Rising is estimated to arrive in spring of 2024. This ride will feature audio. Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently